guys, welcome to the backpack. Today we are going to be drying and eating sunflower seeds.
Audrey's gonna show you how to harvest and roast the sunflower seeds so you can eat them out of your garden. Let's get on to the video.
Let's get started. You need a bucket, gloves, and you can use scissors, but we have loppers. If the leaves are green like this, you can't do it because they're not ready yet when they're like this. Same with these ones since they're still upright. Two sunflowers we'll be harvesting are this big sunflower and this one over here. Cut it about a foot away from the head of the sunflower. Would that be about like right?
Want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, is that about it?
Yeah. That's a big one. There you go.
Did you get it?
Nice, got it.
Okay.
We might need a bigger bucket.
Yeah. Make sure your bucket's big enough.
Another way to know if it's near ready is to just gently pull right here, and if these come off easily, you know they're ready, and if the seeds wiggle out easily, it's another sign that they're ready.
Okay.
If these are tough, give them a little more time.
Now we're gonna cut this one. Is this about 12 inches?
Sure.
I'll do right. You have to rub all this green stuff off because you can't eat it and it will make a mess as you're trying to do the seed part. Whoa, this is a big sunflower.
Yeah, it is.
Look at all those seeds. This is gonna be delicious.
But this is a messy part, so don't do it up by your home.
Yeah. This is a giant sunflower, so there are tons of green pieces.
It's pretty easy though, huh?
Yeah, this part's like the most easiest part. Okay, I'm starting to pull out the seeds, which means that it's probably pretty good.
All right, let's go. Look good there.
Okay, now you're gonna rub the seeds out into the bowl. They should come out pretty easy if it's right.
Ladies, we're filming.
Sorry, we have guinea hens. Do you remember our tie-dye video if you watched it? Yeah. Do not get the seeds from 2 inches to the middle, and don't get the middle either because they just aren't really as good and get more like sticky and small.
Yeah, these ones are a little smaller, tighter, harder to get out of the sunflower, and probably don't taste as good, right?
Yeah.
So leave those alone and just mess with the outer edge.
And we noticed from our smaller sunflower, their seeds were smaller and softer. Look, that's what they look like, and they're really soft.
Yeah,
And
here's
then-
from the big sunflower.
And here's from the little sunflower.
And some of our black ones we're noticing are empty, which can be because this was our first bloom and it was during a really hot week where we had a lot of hundreds, and they're saying that can cause empty seeds since it's right during their pollination time. And if that's the case, we will just share them with the birds because they tend to really like these darker seeds.
Now you can pick out all these little extra leaves and stuff that probably got in them.
You don't have to get too picky though, because we can
Get them later.
use a colander later to get them out.
Yeah, now we're gonna fill it with water and 1/4 to 1/2 cup of salt.
All right, so fill these up over the seed level.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Next one.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of salt. And you kind of just estimate. You think I'm nervous?
Yeah, I think that's good. Now do the other one. That one probably needs a lot less.
1/4.
Yep, that's good.
Okay, now should we mix it around?
Yep, just mix it with your hand.
Oh, that feels so good.
And Audrey noticed these gray ones are softer than the black seeds.
Okay, so we're gonna let these soak overnight, but if you do not have overnight, you can boil them with the salt water for like a couple hours.
Yep, so we have time, so we're gonna go ahead and just soak them overnight with the salt water.
Yeah, because we have time.
Okay, here we go. See you tomorrow.
Okay, so it's the next day, and we are going to put our seeds onto paper towels and let them, and just, if it's like a really sunny day, you only have to let them sit like 40 minutes. But since we waited till the evening, we're gonna let them sit overnight. Okay, let's put them on the paper towels.
Okay, so you're just gonna, you can use the strainer, and this way you can see any leaves you need to pick out as well.
So our seeds dried overnight. It's the next day now, and we set our oven to 350. So set it to 350, and then we're gonna cook these for about 40 minutes.
All right, we'll get them in the oven and we'll show you what to do afterwards.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add just a little bit of oil.
They just came out of the oven, nice and hot.
Okay, so
Okay, just a quick, that's enough. So we'll quickly mix them up, and then on these ones, we're just gonna add salt, right, Audrey? Okay, I think that's good. We'll let them cool and they'll be ready to eat. And then we'll
Next
get these
one,
other
that
ones
one.
in.
I hope you liked our video on how to dry and harvest sunflower seeds. This is how our sunflower seeds turned out. We also did another sunflower, and this is what the seeds looked like. And then this was our big sunflower we did. A lot of these ones were empty, and we think it was because when they first started growing, there were really sunny and hot days. But these are really easy to make, and they taste really good. Get the seed. There's one of the seeds. They're really good.
Was it worth it, Audrey?
Uh-huh.
You had fun making them, didn't you?
Yeah, and our chickens also love them. I hope you liked this video, and I hope if you were trying to harvest sunflower seeds, this video will help you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. See you next time on the backpack. Bye. Pepper says bye.